Good morning student. Welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed chapter A till choose the correct option. Today we will start new topic migration. Okay? Migration. What do you mean by migration? Mass movement of birds and animals in response to climate change. है ना? Animals migrate in search of favorable condition of temperature, food and breeding grounds. So, what is migration? Mass movement of birds and animals in response to climate change. Okay. So this is the definition. What is migration? Mass movement of birds and animals in response to climate change is called migration. है ना? Birds और animal कभी-कभी weather condition के कारण एक जगह से दूसरे जगह चले जाते हैं. Sometimes they are moving in search of food or according to their breeding grounds. They will move from one place to another. Many mammals, insects, birds and fishes and other animals move from one place to another in certain time of year, and this movement is called migration. है ना? साल में एक बार एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाते हैं birds and animals. ऐसी condition को क्या कहा जाता है? Migration. Migration means mass movement of birds and animals in response to climate change. Many birds, mammals, fishes and insects migrate from one place to another. So, what are the factors responsible for migration? है ना? Migration के लिए क्या-क्या factors responsible है? Factors responsible for migration. क्यों एक जगह से दूसरी जगह birds, animals, insects, fishes migrate करते हैं? First factor is food. Okay. If sometime food is not available, then they will migrate. Then second, weather condition. They migrate from cold region to warm region, or the condition of favorable temperature. Condition of favorable temperature. Okay. And third one is on the basis of breeding grounds. So, factors responsible for migrations are food, weather, means condition of favorable temperature, and breeding grounds means when they are giving birth to their young ones, है ना, जब वो अपने young ones को जन्म देते हैं तब वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह मूव करते हैं. So there are three main factors for migration. First one is food, second one is weather condition, third one is breeding ground. So dear student, take out your book, page number 76. Okay. Open book, page number 76, migration. First we will read migration. Pay attention. Animals migrate in search of favorable conditions of temperature, food and breeding grounds. As you know that animals, insects, mammals, birds, fishes, they will migrate in search of favorable condition of temperature, food and breeding grounds. And this movement, when they migrate in certain time of year, certain period in a year, this movement is called migration. They travel thousands of kilometers to escape the cold weather, find food and give birth to their young ones. As three main factors, they will migrate. Because of these three main factors, they will migrate from one place to another place. Means unavailability of food, अगर वहाँ पे खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, they will migrate. Then second is weather condition. Okay, and third one is when they are giving birth to their young ones. When the winter ends and they go back to their original homes, है ना, जब विंटर खत्म हो जाती है तो वो वापस अपनी जगह पर चले जाते हैं. This long journey is called migration, है ना. This long distance traveling is called migration, means mass movement of birds and animals in response to climate change is called migration. Now, birds that live in cold regions migrate to warmer place in winter, है ना. जो birds होते हैं जो colder regions में रहते हैं, they will migrate to warm region in winter. Why do animals and birds migrate? This is the main question. Why do birds and animals migrate? क्यों migrate करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह क्यों चले जाते हैं? This is the question. Why do birds and animals migrate? So, birds and animals migrate from one place to another place in search of food. Answer is birds and animals migrate in search of from one place to another, migrate from one place to another in search of food. खाने की तलाश में एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाते हैं. In search of food, to find food or avoid harsh weather condition or avoid harsh weather condition. or for breeding purpose. Breeding purpose means to give birth to their young ones. Okay, so birds and animals migrate from one place to another in search of food. है ना, जब उनको खाना नहीं मिलता है तो वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह माइग्रेट होके जाएंगे. और टू अवॉइड हार्श वेदर कंडीशन, मतलब अगर वहाँ ज़्यादा ठंड है तो वो वार्मर रीजन में जाएंगे. और टू अवॉइड हार्श वेदर कंडीशन और फॉर ब्रीडिंग पर्पज. ब्रीडिंग पर्पज मीन्स टू गिव बर्थ टू देयर यंग वंस. जब वो अपने न्यू बॉर्न बेबी को जन्म देते हैं, है ना, तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है, फॉर ब्रीडिंग पर्पज. Birds that live in cold regions migrate to warm places in winter. For examples, birds like the Siberian crane. Siberian crane flies thousands of kilometers to reach India. है ना, Siberian crane fly from Siberia to India. Then second, the Arctic terns travel from the Arctic to Antarctic in winter and it goes back during summer. है ना, आर्टिक टर्न जो बर्ड है वो भी आर्टिक से लेके एंटार्क्टिक तक ट्रेवल करता है और समर में वो वापस आर्टिक रीजन में चला जाता है. स्टॉक्स, फ्लैमिंगोज एंड मलार्ड आर ऑल्सो माइग्रेटरी बर्ड. सो साइबेरियन क्रेन, birds like Siberian crane, Siberian crane travel thousands of kilometers, travel from Siberia to India. India. Okay, then second one, Arctic tern. Arctic tern travel from Arctic to Antarctic region. In winter and it will go back in summer. Okay, so birds like Siberian crane travel from Siberia to India. Second, Arctic tern also travel from Arctic to Antarctic in winter and it goes back during the summer. Then there are some migratory birds like storks, flamingos, and mallard are also known as, are also example of migratory birds. Okay, so Arctic tern is the migratory bird in air which travel long distance, okay, from Arctic region to Antarctic in winter and it goes back in summer. Okay, then migratory fishes. Migratory fishes like eels and salmons spend their life in rivers. Now about fishes, we have talked about birds. डियर स्टूडेंट, नो नीड टू राइट एनीथिंग। आपको अभी कुछ नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ आपको वीडियो देखना है ध्यान से और समझना है। नो नीड टू राइट एनीथिंग। आई विल सेंड यू पीडीएफ, देन यू हैव टू राइट। आपको जब मैं पीडीएफ सेंड करूंगी उसमें से देख के आपको लिखना है। नाउ अबाउट फिशेस, माइग्रेटरी फिशेस। Migratory fishes like eels and salmons. They spend their whole life in rivers. They travel from river to the sea to lay egg. So eel and salmons, they live whole life in river, है ना? They spend their life in river. But they travel from river to sea to lay egg. But they travel from river to sea. Why they travel from river to sea? To lay eggs. To lay eggs, है ना? जो ईल एंड सैल्मन नाम की मछली है वो पूरा टाइम रिवर में रहती है, लेकिन जब वो अंडे देने के लिए वो कहाँ जाती है? सी में जाती है। सो दे स्पेंड देयर लाइफ इन रिवर्स and move toward to sea when they want to lay eggs. Okay, remember this point. When the eggs hatch, the parent eel die and the young one travel back to river from where the parent had started their journey. Again, the young one will move from sea to river. Now, locusts are harmful insects. Swarms of locusts settle on standing crop and destroy them. Many kinds of butterfly also migrate. The monarch butterfly fly from Canada to Mexico during winter season. Again, one more. Monarch butterfly About monarch butterfly is what? They fly from Canada to Mexico. Fly from Canada to Mexico during winter season. Okay? During winter season. Okay? Monarch butterfly fly from Canada to Mexico during winter season. The next is the caribou lives in Arctic region. It migrates south during the harsh winter season. Again, on land, the caribou lives in Arctic region and it migrates south during the harsh winter season. Now, African antelopes. African antelopes migrate in large numbers to escape the drought during the summer season. है ना? Pictures are given in your book. है ना? Caribou, African antelopes, all pictures are given in your book. African antelope migrate in large number to escape the drought during the summer season. Then scientists use various old and new methods to study migration. Okay, nowadays scientists use various old and new method to study about migration. Rings and tiny transmitters are fixed on animal to track their movement pattern. Now rings and tiny transmitter are fixed on animals to track their movement pattern, है ना. रिंग्स और टाइनी ट्रांसमीटर उनमें लगाए जाते हैं जिससे उनकी मूवमेंट पता चले कि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, है ना. सो साइंटिस्ट यूज वेरियस ओल्ड एंड न्यू मेथड टू स्टडी अबाउट माइग्रेशन. ओके, you have caribou. Lives in Arctic region, and it migrates due to food or breeding purpose or due to harsh winter season, है ना. It migrates due to unavailability of food or breeding purpose. Okay, breeding purpose. Okay, monarch butterfly fly from Canada to Mexico during winter season. Caribou lives in Arctic region and it migrates due to unavailability of food or breeding purpose. Now turn the page. Keywords are given in your book, page number 78. Page number 78. Just revise whatever we have read in this chapter. What are the terms given? Herbivores. Herbivores means plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals. Okay? Plant-eating animals are called herbivorous animals. No need to write anything. अभी आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ समझना है. Okay बेटा? Then carnivores. Flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Okay? Omnivores. Omnivores. We are just revising whatever we have read in this chapter. Both plant and flesh-eating animals are called omnivores. Both plant and flesh-eating animals are called omnivores. Okay? So first keyword given in your book is herbivores. Herbivores means plant-eating animals. Then second, carnivores. Carnivores means flesh-eating animals. Okay? Then third one is omnivore. Omnivores means both plant and flesh-eating animals are called omnivores. Then spiracles. Spiracles means holes in the body of insects through which they breathe. Holes in the body of an insect through which they breathe. Okay? Holes in the body of an insect through which they breathe. The next term is rodents. Rodents means animal having sharp front teeth to nibble or gnaw their food. Like rabbits and squirrel. Animals having sharp front teeth to nibble or gnaw their food. Okay? Okay. The next term is proboscis. Proboscis. Proboscis means needle-like tube in insect to suck nectar or blood. Okay? What do you mean by proboscis? Proboscis means needle-like tube in insect to suck nectar or blood. Proboscis का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे आपने बटरफ्लाई को देखा है, मॉस्किटोज में देखा है, जो needle-like tube होती है इंसेक्ट्स में, वो किस लिए यूज करी जाती है? To suck nectar or blood. है ना? Needle-like tube in insect to suck nectar or blood. The next term is forelimbs. Forelimbs means forelimbs. Forelimbs means front limbs in animals. Okay? Front limbs in animals. Then hind limbs. Hind limbs means back limbs in animals. Then last one is migration. Migration means mass movement of animals from cold to warm region. Mass movement of animals or birds from cold to warm region. Okay. Once again I am revising. What do you mean by rodents? Rodents means animals having sharp front teeth to nibble or gnaw their food, like rabbits and squirrel, mice. They have sharp front teeth. Proboscis, like insects having needle-like tube to suck nectar from flowers or blood, like butterfly, mosquito. They have needle-like tube to suck nectar from flower. Forelimbs means front limbs in animals. Hind limbs means back limbs in animals. Then migration. What do you mean by migration? Today we have read about this. Migration means mass movement of animals from cold to warm region. है ना? माइग्रेशन किसको कहा जाता है बेटा? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जब एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स मूव करते हैं बिकॉज ड्यू टू अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फूड और वेदर कंडीशन और ब्रीडिंग पर्पस, दे विल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. दिस मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड माइग्रेशन. है ना? उसे माइग्रेशन कहा जाता है. And birds and animals migrate from one place to another in search of food, weather condition or for breeding purpose. So dear student, today we have completed our chapter reading and explanation. So you have to read once again this chapter. है ना? Today your work is you have to read this chapter once again. है ना? Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.